students, I am your new science miss in this term and myself Jayanti. We have 7 chapters in this term. So we see the unit 1 heat. Unit 1 heat. In this chapter we discuss about heat. Okay, first we see the introduction of heat. We are all familiar with heat, right? So all you know very well what is heat. We can't see the heat with directly, just we can feel it only. So we feel it on our body when the sun shines. We use heat for cooking. So without heat we can't cook the food. Okay, next we discuss the sources of heat. First one, sun. Sun is the one of the source. We all know that the sun gives us light. Does it gives us heat? Sun heat produce panama. So do one experiment. After standing under the sunlight for some time, touch your head. Does it feel hot? Yes, it is feel hot because the sun gives the heat besides light. So light ஓட சேர்ந்து ஹீட்டையும் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. In the summer days we can't walk barefooted. It's very difficult to walk. That's why the sun produces heat. Sun is the one of the sources of heat. Second one's combustion. Combustion means burning. The heat energy can be generated by the burning of fuels. So something is burning means it produces heat. Something is burning means it produces heat. Fuels. So what is fuel? Fuels like wood, kerosene, coal, charcoal and gasoline, petrol and etc. Okay, this is the combustion. So something is burning means it produces heat. We can't stand near it. Next one, friction. So friction, what is friction? So in the past peoples used to rub two stones together to light fire. ரெண்டு stones rub பண்ணி fire make பண்ணாங்க. So same like this, rub your palms fast. So it produce some heat. You feel it? ஸோ உங்கள் பாம்ஸை நல்லா ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ரப் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு சம் ஹீட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும். யூ கேன் ஃபீல் இட். ஸோ வி கேன் ஜென்ரேட் ஹீட் பை ரப்பிங் டூ சர்ஃபேசஸ் ஆஃப் சம் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ். கிளியர்? திஸ் இஸ் த ஃப்ரிக்ஷன். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃப்ரிக்ஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. So when electric current flows through a conductor, heat energy is produced. So electric current produce the heat energy. Example, the water heater, iron box, electric kettle, the induction stove, all work on this principle only. So electric current produce the heat energy. So this is the sources of heat. First one is sun, and second combustion, third one friction, and electricity, fourth one. So this is all sources of heat. So next we see the definition of heat. So what is the definition? Heat is an energy that raises the temperature of a thing by causing the molecules in that thing to move faster. That means you compare the cold water and hot water. Cold water, the movement of molecules is very slow and the water is normal. But when we heat the water, the object is vibrated and the movement of molecules increases and the temperature of the object also increases. Okay, well, this is the difference between cold water and hot water. So we can't see our eyes. So we can't see the movement with our naked eyes. நம்ம கண்ணால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, மூமெண்ட்ஸை பார்க்க முடியாது. So heat is an energy that raises the temperature of a thing by causing a molecules in that thing move fast. This is the definition of heat. Next one, heat is not a matter. Heat is not a matter because it does not occupy any space. It has no weight. இதுக்கு எந்த ஸ்பேஸையும் ஆக்குப்பை பண்ணாது and no weight is there. So வெயிட்டும் கிடையாது. So like heat is form of energy. So heat is not a matter, it is a energy. ஓகேவா? லைக் லைட், சவுண்ட், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. ஸோ எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட்டை நம்மளால் கண்ணால் பார்க்க முடியாது, பட் நம்ம ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? ஸோ டச் பண்ணும்போது என்ன அடிக்கும்? ஷாக் அடிக்குமா? ஸோ அந்த கரண்ட்டை நம்மளால் பார்க்க முடியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ சேம் லைக் திஸ் ஒன்லி ஹீட். Heat we can't see our eyes, we can feel it only. Heat is not a matter, it's form of energy. It's form of energy. And next one, SI unit. So what is the SI unit of heat? So joule. Joule is the SI unit of heat. And calorie. Calorie is also the unit of heat. So what is the SI unit? SI unit of heat is joule, and the calorie is also the unit of heat. And in short word, heat, what is heat means? Heat is the total kinetic energy. Heat is the total kinetic energy of constituent particles of object. Heat is the total kinetic energy of constituent particles of object. This is also the definition of heat. And next, the SI unit is very important. So SI unit of heat is joule, and the calorie is also used to represent the heat. Okay student, thank you. I hope you all understand in this class.